my lovely kids. Welcome in kindergarten. This is our English class. Today we will learn sound of letter U, V and W. So let's start. This is letter U. Sound of letter U is A. Sound of letter U is A. U, A, umbrella. U, A, up. U, A, up. U, A, uncle. U, A, uncle. U says A. U says A. Some more words from sound of U. U, A, under. U, A, ugly. U, A, umpire. Now sound of letter V. This is letter V. Sound of V is V. Sound of V is V. V. Sound of V is V. V, V, when. V, V, when. V, V, was. V, V, was. V, V, violin. V, V, violin. V says V. V says V. Some more words from sound of V. V, V, victory. V, V, vote. V, V, wine. Now sound of letter W. This is letter W. Sound of W is W. W. Sound of W is W. Sound of W has sound of W. It has slight sound of H. Okay. So V, W, watch. V, W, watch. V, W, well. V, W, well. V, W, wall. V, W, wall. V says wa. V says wa. Now some more words on sound of W. V, W, walrus. V, W, whistle. V, W, waiter. So children, now you learn all these sounds and have a nice day. Thank you.